So let's move to the question number 5. You can pause the video and try to solve this question on your own. This will really help you understand the question much better. Okay, pause the video. So here in this question, this figure of the triangle is given. Here these two angles are given as equal to each other. And PR is given as 20 centimeter. And further, it is also given the line segment ST divide QR into the ratio of 2:3. It means QT is to TR is 2:3 or RT is to TQ is 3:2. Further, we have to find the length ST. This length we have to calculate. Let's proceed. Here are you able to observe the big triangle PQR, the triangle which is given, and also the triangle SQT, this triangle. Let's take this triangle out of the figure. We are having two triangles. Can we say these two triangles are similar to each other? Can we say? You can pause the video and think why these two triangles are similar to each other. It will really help you out. Okay? So further proceed. Here in the two triangle, angle Q is common. So angle Q will be equal to angle Q, and angle T and angle R. These two angles are also given as equal to each other. So here two sets of angles or the corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. So we can say both the triangles are similar to each other by angle-angle criteria. In the angle-angle criteria, if two angles, the corresponding two angles of a triangle are equal, then we can say both the triangles are similar to each other. Angle-angle criteria. Once we got the two triangles are similar, we know the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. Note that in similar triangle, the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal, not the corresponding sides are equal. That is the case of congruent triangle. In similar triangle, only the ratios of the corresponding triangles will be equal. It means QT upon QR will be equal to QS upon QP will be equal to ST upon PR. Let's take these two parts of the equation, that is QT upon QR is equal to ST upon PR. PR it is given as 20 centimeter, QT is to TR is given as 2:3. We can take QT as 2x and TR as 3x. Okay, QT is to TR it is 2:3 and 2x is to 3x it will be 2:3. Why we have taken x? Because the ratio is 2:3. It can be 4:6, that is also 2:3. It can be 6:9, that is again 2:3. The ratio is just 2:3. So we have taken QT as 2x, that is a multiple of 2, and TR as 3x, that is a multiple of 3. Here QR, this total length will be equal to 3x plus 2x, which is 5x. So we got QR as equal to 5x. So let's put the value. X and X will cancel out. We got ST as 8 centimeter. That is the option B, the answer of this question. Got it? That is the answer. The fundamental that we have used to solve this question is the similarities of the triangle. And within the similarities of the triangle, we have used the angle-angle similarity criteria. Rest is your visualization. If you are able to visualize the triangle SQT and the big triangle PQR as both are similar to each other, you can easily solve the question. So do not directly jump on the question, just visualize the question, imagine the question. The better you are able to visualize the question, the better you are able to solve the question. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Check out the description for various links to various resources. If the content is helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much and best of luck.